Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Mercedes-Benz is showing the P0348 engine code and you're dealing with rough starting, engine hesitation, or a check engine light, this video is for you. Today, I'll explain what P0348 means, why it happens, common symptoms, and how to fix it properly. So let's get started. The P0348 code means camshaft position sensor, a circuit high bank 2. In simple words, the camshaft position sensor on bank 2 is sending a higher than normal voltage signal to the engine control. Unit ECU Mercedes engines rely heavily on this sensor for timing, fuel injection, and ignition control, so even a small signal problem can cause big performance issues. When P0348 appears, you may notice check engine light on, hard starting or no start condition, off idle or engine shaking, poor acceleration, engine misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, limp mode in some Mercedes models. Ignoring this code can lead to serious engine timing problems. Here are the most common causes: 1. Faulty camshaft position sensor. 2. Short circuit or damaged sensor wiring. 3. Loose or corroded sensor connector. 4. Oil contamination on the sensor. 5. Timing chain or camshaft issues. 6. Faulty ECU. Mercedes vehicles are very sensitive to voltage irregularities, so wiring issues are extremely common. It means that the engine control module detected the engine camshaft position sensor circuit is not within specifications. Here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0348 error code. Method A: the crankshaft position sensor. The crankshaft is most often located on the front underside of the engine. It can usually be found mounted to the timing cover. First, carefully remove the crankshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a resistance test on the crankshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific crankshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you don't get a reading, this indicates that the crankshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new crankshaft position sensor. Method B: the camshaft position sensor. The camshaft position sensor is located in the valve cover near the top of the engine, or it can be located at the front or rear of the cylinder head. First, carefully remove the camshaft position sensor from the vehicle. Visually inspect the sensor to make sure it hasn't been contaminated by a leak from another engine component. Use a multimeter to proceed with a test on the camshaft position sensor. In order to get a correct reading, check your owner's manual to see the specific camshaft position sensor resistance range for your vehicle. If you do not get a reading, this indicates that the camshaft position sensor is faulty and needs to be replaced. Check to make sure the O-ring from the sensor hasn't fallen into its hole. Then replace it with a new camshaft position sensor. So here are two of the most practical solutions to fix Mercedes-Benz's P0348 error code. After the repair, you can now use the OBD scanner to clear the error code, and tap the rescan button one more time to make sure everything is fine with your vehicle. You're also welcome to leave comments below. Our mechanic professionals will answer them shortly. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks again for watching this video.